it's Hannah from WTI. Now, I don't know if side ponytails are making a comeback yet, but what I do know is scrunchies are. And this pack from Ivyu Beauty is incredible. These are silk scrunchies. They came with 4 matching pairs of scrunchies and a bonus leopard print scrunchie. Now, these are silk and they are so great in your hair. I have a lot of thick, heavy, long hair, and I do not have any issues with these scrunchies at all. They hold up my hair, they protect it, they don't give me that frizz, and they don't rip my hair out when I pull out my scrunchie, which is such a blessing. So I super recommend getting this pack of scrunchies from Ivyu Beauty. I love them. I love these colors. I think they're so beautiful. And that is my point of view.